Hi dear Aquarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus Rising. Sun, Moon, Venus Rising. Yeah. And this is a reading from 21st of September till the end of September. The roles can be reversed anytime. Please check that and take it how it resonates with you. And if it is not resonating with you, this is not your story, honey. So I think you should not worry about this. This is not everybody's story, okay? And if it is resonating with you, watch till the end so that you will get an insight, proper insight. Cool, let me start. Aquarius, your partner's current energy right now is Aquarius. Your partner's current energy right now is, let me see. Your partner's current energy right now is King of Swords. Okay, Aquarius, your partner right now is concealing their feelings, hiding their feelings. They are showing you that they don't care about you or about this connection. They are being very rude, might be, or very you can say this is rude energy right now actually. Rude energy, concealing, hiding, not showing actually what they are feeling or trying to do in their life. Mysterious kind of energy. Let me clarify. Wait, let me clarify the King of Swords. Let me clarify the King of Swords in their current energy. Seven of Cups, Nine of Swords and the Two of Swords. This person is trying to find options or trying to talk to another people as well, trying to find a good alternative, okay, apart from you. Your alternative, you can say, and they are very anxious, very stressed, not being able to find the one exactly like you. They're trying to find somebody who's exactly like you, but they are not being able to do that. That's why they are very stressed, they are very anxious, and they're not able to sleep thinking about the situation about you, and they're on the crossroads. Mentally, this person is mixing emotions and logic together, and that's why they are conflicted. Very conflicted right now, trying to hide their true feelings, trying to hide their emotions, trying to hide everything that is happening with them. I feel like this person is all messed up and they are not ready to tell this to you. This is what is happening. Let's see, Aquarius, what's your current energy? Your current energy right now is Aquarius. Let's see. Judgment. You are ready to forgive. You are ready to forgive and you are ready to forget, and you are just ready for reconciliation. This is your current energy. I feel like you are still waiting for this person. You are waiting for their forgiveness. You are waiting for a sorry from their side. You are waiting for an explanation from their side, and you are just ready to have a reconciliation and give this connection a second chance. This is your current energy. Let me clarify the Judgment. Let me clarify the Judgment card. Three of Pentacles, the King of Cups and the Knight of Wands. See, I feel like you are still very passionate about them. You still carry lots of love for them, lots of emotions for them, and you are ready to forgive this person. You are ready to forgive this person and put in the effort, put in the energy in this connection. You are ready to have the teamwork because you love them so much. You carry lots of emotions for them, not just love. You have a passionate energy towards them. You want to have a passionate energy towards them, and you want this energy back. That's why you're ready to forgive and forget, and that's why you're ready to have a reconciliation with this particular person. This is your current energy, Aquarius. This is your current energy. And if you are saying, no, I'm not doing that, you're lying. Lying to yourself, honey. Let me see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let me see. Ten of Pentacles. This person is feeling like you are doing really great in your life. You are looking good. You are making yourself look good, or you are, if you are not doing actually good, but they are feeling like you are doing good in your life. You are happy in your life. You have a family. Might be you are connected with somebody else also. They feel like this, that you are prosperous, you are abundant, and you are happy. Nice. Let me clarify the Ten of Pentacles as their feelings for you. This is the feeling of stability. They are feeling like you are a stable person, emotionally as well and financially as well. They feel So the Ten of Pentacles is clarified by Ten of Wands and the Seven of Swords and the Strength. Could be dealing with a Leo here. So this person is feeling, although you are under pressure, although you have lots of responsibilities, I feel like this person is feeling like you're hiding something from them or someone from them, and you're really happy in your life. This person is definitely feeling like you have somebody else in your life, and you have started dating somebody else, or you are in a relationship with somebody else, and you're hiding them from them. Okay, you're hiding the other person from this person, from your current person, and they have a strong feeling that you're happy with them, really happy with them. You have a stable life. Might be this person is feeling like you got engaged or you got married, like secretly for some of you. So this person is feeling like, yes, you are stable minded, you are stable, you are happy, although you are having lots of responsibilities, although you were not ready to give up on the situation in the past. Now you're releasing this, and now you're hiding somebody from them, and you are the one who is silent with them. This is what they're feeling about this connection. This is what they are feeling about this connection, about you. Let me see what this person wants from you. Let me see what this person wants from you. Ten of Swords. This person wants to come out of this state. This person is feeling like the worst is over now. Now you can restart from scratch. This person wants to start from scratch with you. This is what they want from you. They want you to come towards them and go towards them and talk to them again and start communicating with them and start on a friendship level. But just start. They just want you to start from somewhere with them. Let me clarify the Ten of Swords. Four of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. Yes, they want you to release the control and participate equally in the connection with them. They want you to release the control. You are holding so much of grudges, might be, or regrets might be from the past. They just want you to hold, release these control issues and these grudges issues and the regret, and equally participate in the connection with them, to have equal give and take of energy in this connection. And they want you to break the silence. Break the silence. They are feeling like you are very, very silent with them, and they want you to break the ice, break the silence, and control and release the control issues, and just equally participate in the connection with them, because they are feeling like the worst is over now. They want you to get up from this worst situation and release the control, participate equally in this connection with them, and release the silence. Release the silence and talk to them, communicate with them, and start from scratch with them. Just scratch. Plain and simple scratch. No friendship, nothing, just plain and simple start from scratch kind of situation is here. Okay, let me see what is coming towards you by the end of September, Aquarius. Okay, let me see. Moon could be dealing with the Pisces here. Unknown fear, unknown type of fear and fearful energy, blockage in intuition, blockage in communication. I feel like you guys are going to be silent by the end of September. I don't feel like you guys are going to talk to each other and clarify the situation or have a communication with each other. Although you guys should do that, but you are typically, I feel like it's more about you. You are not ready to communicate with them. You are not ready to have a communication with them. You feel like this is no longer like the same situation as it used to be. I am no longer the same as I used to be, so I just need my time. You are actually fearful of reaching this person or giving this person another chance. You are very, very fearful about that. You feel like this is not going to work out no matter how many chances you are going to give this person. This is the situation. Let me clarify the Moon. Queen of Swords and the King of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. So you are being actually this is their current energy, King of Swords, and it is coming in your energy as well, Queen of Swords, in the potential outcome. I feel like you are also going to cut out them. You are also not going to talk to them, although you are, and you are going to take the risk of your life. This is risk taking only, because you are going to shoo this person away and you are going to tell them like, just go away, I don't need you. This is kind of risk that you are taking. You are feeling like, I'm going to leave this person, might be this person will come back to me permanently. This is a psychology that you are going to use on this person. But I feel like there will be communication between you guys, but that will not be open and honest. You are going to hide your true emotions and intentions. They are going to hide their true emotions and intentions, and you will be very you will be very fearless, and you will be like, yeah, please go away. If you want to go, just go away. I will restart my life. This is your energy. But from inside you will be really fearful that might be they are going to leave you permanently, or might be this connection is over. You will be in this fearful energy, but you are going to show the reverse, just the opposite of what you are experiencing right now. Okay, cool, Aquarius. I know this is not a very happy reading, but this is the truth, honey. You have to face it. Yeah, so thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste, bye.